In front of me is REALME GT 60, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access security and privacy. Then scroll down again to access device unlock and tap on face and fingerprint unlock under screen lock. Now hit face over here, tap on agree and enter your current login method. Finally select continue at the bottom, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Then hit done. Now you can manage all of those options however you want to. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!